Modern electric vehicle concepts are converging on a single uniform vision. The cabins are silent, the dashboards are replaced by glossy screens, and physical buttons are replaced by perfectly smooth, featureless surfaces. When physical touchpoints are removed, the driver is insulated from the machine. The driving experience becomes frictionless, turning a mechanical process into a quiet digital interaction where you tap a glass pane instead of feeling the road. The Deus Ex Machina Mini Cooper replaces that digital smoothness with grit and exposed mechanics. To find an alternative to the sterile EV, Mini handed a John Cooper Works chassis to Deus Ex Machina, an Australian surf and motorcycle brand, and told them to tear it apart. They stripped out the standard automotive plastics and rebuilt it using raw fiberglass, exposed foam cores, neoprene, and heavy canvas straps. The result suggests that an electric drivetrain does not require a numb, appliance-like cabin. The battery can be silent, but the car itself can still demand physical interaction. The transformation starts on the outside. The car sits on a widened track with custom rims, covered in a chaotic, asymmetrical graphic wrap. Instead of perfectly stamped metal or woven carbon fiber, the entire wide-body kit is molded from thick, surfboard-grade fiberglass. The construction process is left highly visible. Heavy bolts are completely exposed along the wheel arches, and physical holes are punched directly through the fiberglass panels. The rear spoiler demonstrates how this manufacturing shift works. If you peel back that hard outer fiberglass shell, you find a raw, porous foam core in the center. The aerodynamic features are shaped using the exact same anatomy as a high-performance surfboard. The exterior trades the flawless, factory-stamped perfection of traditional auto manufacturing for the utilitarian mechanics of a custom surf shop. Opening the doors reveals a completely stripped-down cabin. The standard luxury leathers and molded interior plastics are entirely gone. The interior designers operated on a principle of strict materiality. Every single surface the driver interacts with has a distinct physical texture. The seats are wrapped in wetsuit-grade neoprene, providing a highly textured grip against the driver's back. Instead of hidden metal brackets, raw canvas straps secure gear to the roof by punching straight through the exterior fiberglass body. Even the roof is a sensory touchpoint. The builders cut away the standard ceiling and replaced it with a semi-translucent fiberglass panel that diffuses natural sunlight down into the cabin. Beneath all these raw surf materials sits the high-performance electric platform of the Mini John Cooper Works EV. To control that instant electric torque, the driver has to pull heavy physical metal toggles to switch gears and select drive modes. By forcing the driver to physically grip, pull, and feel the controls, the cabin proves that a modern electric drivetrain can successfully pair with a heavy analog interface. Zooming out, this concept operates as a compelling physical argument for the wider automotive industry. Leaving the foam cores visible, running canvas straps through the roof, and bolting panels in plain sight challenges the standard definitions of premium design. On the left, a standard EV heavily weights visual screen data. On the right, this concept balances physical resistance and material textures. Shifting priorities towards tactile feedback changes how the driver engages with the road. This car suggests that the next stage of luxury design is found in the depth of the tactile connection between the driver, the machine, and the physical world.